You're about to experience something incredible. In just 1 minute, you'll receive a call or a message from the exact person you have in mind. No waiting, no uncertainty, just results. Sound too good to be true? Stick with me. I'll show you exactly how to make it happen. Before we start the method, let's clear something up. This isn't magic, but it might feel like it. This is about energy, focus, and intention. And the best part? Anyone can do it. You don't need experience, you don't need special tools. All you need is your mind and a simple shift in how you approach desire. Think about it. Why do most people struggle to get what they want? The answer is simple. They chase, they stress, they doubt. They send messages and wait anxiously for a reply. They check their phones obsessively, hoping for a sign. But here's the paradox. Wanting something too much actually pushes it away. It's like trying to grab water with a clenched fist. The harder you try, the more it slips through your fingers. The universe doesn't respond to desperation. It responds to certainty. The moment you let go and trust, things start falling into place. It's not about forcing anything. It's about allowing it to happen. That's the key here. You don't have to do anything extreme. You just have to shift your mindset, and the energy will follow. Now, let's make this happen. First, grab your phone. If it's not nearby, don't worry. This technique works just as well without it. Your energy is what matters, not the physical object. Find a quiet space. Take a moment to sit comfortably. If you're in a noisy environment, do your best to tune everything out. The goal is to be present, fully in the moment. Relax your shoulders. Let go of any tension in your body. The more at ease you are, the more powerful this technique becomes. Close your eyes and breathe. Now, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a few seconds and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel the tension leaving your body. Do this 3 times. Each breath takes you deeper into a state of calmness. With every inhale, feel yourself becoming more centered. With every exhale, feel any doubts or distractions fading away. Now, focus on the person you want to hear from. Picture them clearly in your mind. Imagine their face, their voice, the way they speak. Visualize them picking up their phone, looking at your name, and feeling an urge to reach out to you. It's happening. They're already thinking about you. But here's the secret. You're not asking for them to call. You're not wishing. You're knowing. There's a huge difference. Instead of hoping, believe it's already done. See the notification pop up on your screen, hear the ringtone, feel the excitement. It's real. It's already happening. Now release it. Don't cling to the thought. Don't sit there waiting for your phone to ring. Trust the process. Go about your day as if the message or call is inevitable, because it is. This is the key to manifestation. You set the intention, you align your energy, and then you let go. And when you do it right, the results will shock you. So, take this moment. Breathe, smile, and wait for that message. Because it's coming. Imagine the person. Close your eyes and bring their face to your mind. See them clearly as if they are right in front of you. Notice the little details, their eyes, their expression, even the way they breathe. Now, picture them picking up their phone. Watch as they unlock the screen, go to their contacts, and scroll down to your name. Feel the moment when they pause, hesitate for just a second, then tap your name. Imagine them pressing the call button or typing out a message. Hear the sound of their fingers tapping against the screen. Visualize every detail of this action as if it's happening right now, in real time. The more vividly you can see it, the stronger the energy you're sending out into the universe. Feel the energy. As you picture this, don't just see it, feel it. Imagine the excitement bubbling up inside you as you see their name appear on your phone screen. How does it feel? Relief? Happiness? Anticipation? Let that feeling grow inside you. Let it become so real that your heart starts to beat a little faster. This is not wishful thinking. This is a shift in energy. You're aligning yourself with the exact frequency needed to make this happen. Repeat these words, either silently in your mind or out loud. Say this with absolute belief. I don't need to chase. I don't need to worry. The message or call I desire is already on its way to me. I am open. I am ready. I trust the timing of the universe. Say these words slowly. Let them sink into your subconscious. The power of words is undeniable, but their impact multiplies when combined with genuine belief and intention. The more you say them, the more they become a reality in your mind. And once your mind accepts something as truth, the universe has no choice but to reflect that truth back to you. Let it go. Now, this is the most important step. Set your phone down. Walk away. Resist the temptation to check your notifications every 5 seconds. This is where most people go wrong. They cling too tightly to the outcome. The more you obsess over it, the more you tell the universe that you don't truly believe it's happening. And that doubt, that desperation, creates resistance. Instead, do something else. Go outside, take a walk, read a book, watch a movie, or lose yourself in a task. The more you detach, the faster it happens. This isn't about ignoring your desire. It's about trusting it's already on its way. Just like when you place an order online, you don't keep refreshing the page every second to see if it has arrived. You trust that it's coming. Apply that same mindset here. Everything in this universe operates on energy. Think of yourself as a magnet. When you radiate neediness, worry, or doubt, you repel what you want. But the moment you shift into confidence, ease, and certainty, you become magnetic. People feel drawn to you, even if they don't consciously know why. Your energy changes, and as a result, the world around you shifts to match it. So what happens next? You'll hear that familiar sound. A call, a message. Maybe in a minute, maybe in an hour. But it will happen when you least expect it. That's the beauty of this technique. It's not about force, it's about allowing. And when it does happen, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. Your story could inspire someone else to trust in this process. If this resonated with you, if you found value in this, hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing techniques. Now, go about your day. Smile, breathe, trust, and let the universe do its thing.